Learning means change. Learning means change in behavior. Learning means permanent change in behavior. Learning means permanent change in behavior through reinforced practice. Learning is adaptation or adjustment. Learning is universal in nature. Learning is never-ending process. Learning is a lifelong process. Learning is doing something new. Successful learning is intelligence. Learning is both individual and social. Learning is organization of experiences. Learning is a process and not a product. Learning is a goal-directed activity. Learning is universal and continuous. Learning is modification of behavior through experiences.